you so much for being here today on behalf of Salman Khan Films and Eros International. I once again thank you all for taking the time out and being here today. Today is a very special day. Yes, it's all going to happen. It's a very special day, not just because we're going to be showing you finally a glimpse of what Bajrangi Bhaijaan promises to be, but also because Bajrangi Bhaijaan has been such an extraordinary journey for everyone who's been involved with the film. I think the fact that its lead actor is the producer is probably the biggest conviction there is in the film. So ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for the Bajrangi Bhaijaan trailer? I can't hear you. You've got to be louder than that. Are we ready? All right, so here, ladies and gentlemen, is the trailer of the most exciting awaited film of the year. And I bring to you the man who's taken the conviction to be the producer of the film. Please welcome Bajrangi Bhaijaan himself, Mr. Salman Khan. Salman, and before we actually get down to the trailer, a couple of questions. Salman, on a more serious note, I just want to tell everyone knows that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan films?
Because इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान. इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर. तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है. तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो. मीनी एंड कबीर आर लाइक फैमिली. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें.
So सलमान, बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात है? आप प्लीज हमारे प्रेस को बताइए, and then we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. अरे वाह. 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे. जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
It's all good.
That's true.
It's all good, all good.
Yep. More about that though, before we actually reveal the trailer, Salman, should we call on the director of the film onto the stage and unse bhi ek guftagoo ho jaye? So
please.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15, 17 years, Kabir Khan.
Still just a crush.
Hi.
All right. So Kabir, everyone is waiting for Salman and you to show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं, which I'm sure they want to know about the film. It's weird, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers. But this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
This is a question that was asked me even when I was making Ek Tha Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified. And that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story. And क्योंकि it's in some way, this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, he said, I'm producing this film.
That was a bit of a surprise, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely.
So इससे पहले कि हम और फिल्म के बारे में आगे बातें करें, should we just unleash it?
Yes.
Yep. मजा आया? Exactly what you expected? More, less? More. Okay. Okay. It's time कि हम आपको उन सबसे मिलवाएं. People who've been, who you would like to question, people who've been involved with the film. So once again, जोरदार तालियों के साथ, please let's have Salman back on stage. Salman, Kabir, can we have you on stage? Pawan ki
And
Rasika aa
this is
gayi,
the girl
please.
who, this is the girl I've had a crush with. 15,
15 years you've been crushing?
15, 17 years.
It's-
My Benji.
All right. We'll find somebody else who we can crush in a will. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you an opportunity. Please put your hands together for the incredibly talented Nawazuddin Siddiqui. We'd also like to call on stage the producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. He's the co-producer. Please welcome Rockline Venkatesh. Can we have on stage Mr. Amar Butala? He's the co-producer of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and he's also the COO of Salman Khan Films. A really nice man. And Mr. Nandu Ahuja from Eros International. He's the Senior Vice President of India Theatrical. Here he is. All right, so something tells me that जब तक ये photo op नहीं होगी, तब तक आप कुछ सुनेंगे नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. तो please, this is an opportunity to get your photo op. Please, let's do that first. Get over with it, and then we'll do a Q&A. All right, okay. We've done pictures. एक बार और opportunity मिलेगी. We can do this once again right at the end. But now we'll just do a couple of questions. You can all sit, please, if however it's comfortable. All right. Okay. So we will be opening the floor open, to you guys for questioning as well. But there are a couple of questions which I think मैं ही पूछ लूँ तो better है उनसे आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा what Bajrangi Bhaijaan and its making was all about. Kareena, I'll start with you first. आप पवन की रसिका की इस फिल्म में जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan film's home production and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And
Well, I
how
think
was it playing Rasika?
there are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in a night dress also was Salman Khan when I was 9 years old. Now, plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabang 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time.
Film. Only because of Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Bajrangi
Thank
is
you.
it.
And I want to thank Mr. Vijayendra Prasad and Rajesh also in this regard. Thank you very much.
Right. He's the wonderful author of the story and he's right
Yes.
here. I'd like to give him a warm round of applause. He's
The hero of this film is the script, and Mr. Prasad has written the script.
there he is, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad,
you.
ladies and gentlemen. He's
It is
A
the finest
veteran.
stories that I've ever heard, ever.
Nandu, what do you think was Eros's, motivation to be on board for this film?
Well, all I can say is Eros is very delighted to be part of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Kabir Khan, and Eid can't expect anything bigger and better than this. Expect fireworks this Eid.
And more. And I come to the other gentleman in the pink shirt. Amar, you're the CEO of Salman Khan Films. It's a very proud moment for Salman as a producer and for you guys. It's been a tough journey for this film. It's gone all over the place. I mean, all over the country shooting this film. How has it been for you, honestly? Come on, Amar, give it up.
So it's been quite incredible. We had a finishing line in place, which was that we had to come with this film on Eid, and we've had a cast and crew which has worked really hard to make it to this. And we promise you, what you have is a really entertaining film with a lot of heart. And I just want to thank also our partners who were with us on this film. So Eros, of course, and T-Series who are not here today, but they've been great help along with the cast and crew. And I think we'll have a really entertaining film at hand on Eid.
Salman, you've been, in all your films, the music is the talking point also. I mean, it's always had beautiful music. So, इस film के music में आप हमेशा involved होते हैं हर film के music के साथ. What do you want to say about the music of this film?
इस फिल्म का अभी तो एक्चुअली थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी कि रमज़ान कल से शुरू हो रहे हैं, तो सबको रमज़ान मुबारक हो. एंड उसके बाद ईद आएगा. जब ईद आएगा तो बजरंगी भाईजान ईद के साथ आएगा, और उसके पहले आपको हमारा म्यूज़िक सुनने को मिलेगा, जो कि हर फिल्म के अंदर बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा म्यूज़िक है. एवरी फिल्म दिस म्यूज़िक इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, एंड इससे बेटर म्यूज़िक कभी रहा नहीं. परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में भी बोलते हैं, और ये भी बोलते हैं कि लेकिन इस फिल्म में म्यूजिक बड़ा हटके है. तो जो 15-20 साल के जो इंटरव्यूज के अंदर जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस वगैरह किए हैं हम लोगों ने, वो लेके हमेशा से छाप देना चाहिए आप लोगों को.
That's not fair. इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक काफी खास है.
खास है.
इस
फिल्म का म्यूजिक बहुत ही खास है. प्रीतम ने हमको म्यूजिक दिया है, और एक गाना तो आपने सुन ही लिया है, जो कि आपको सबको बहुत पसंद आया है. ये हमको कैसे पता चलता है कि म्यूजिक बड़ा हिट हो गया है? क्योंकि भूषण कुमार का एक लुक चेंज हो जाता है. भूषण कुमार खुश होते हैं, हंसते हैं, गाते हैं, उनकी वॉकिंग की स्पीड थोड़ी सी बढ़ जाती है, थोड़े से और गोरे हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा वेट और पुट ऑन हो जाता है उनका, थोड़े से और दिलदार हो जाते हैं वो. दैट्स हाउ वी गेट टू नो कि म्यूज़िक चल गया है. और फिर जब रिक्शाओं में बजें और नाइट क्लब्स में बजें और फिर टीवी पर बजे और फिर लोग बच्चे गुनगुनाना शुरू कर दें उसको, देन वी नो दैट द म्यूजिक इज अ बिग हिट. सो ये जो ले 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 गाना है, ओ ले ले ले, ये तो बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया यार.
Right. Well, there are a lot of things जो हम अभी आपको बता सकते हैं, which because the making of this film has really been an incredible, journey, not just geographically but emotionally, and over, this has been shot over not such a large expanse, so everything has happened pretty much fast. बहुत कुछ ऐसा है जो हम बता सकते हैं, but what we're going to do now, we're going to open the floor to questions, for a few questions. Let me see some hands, and we'll take it from there. There's a lady there
Hi,
in white. Yeah.
Salman, आपके लेफ्ट में आलोक here from OFM. सवाल मेरा है कि
सवाल भी वही होगा और जवाब भी pretty much वही होगा.
नहीं सर, वो वाला नहीं है. क्या लगता है आपको कि आखिरकार ये दिन आ गया कि इतनी सारी मुश्किलें आई, कई जगहों पे, लोकेशंस पे शूटिंग भी हुई, कई सारी चीजें भी चल रही थी इसी दौरान आपके साथ भी, तो क्या लगता है फाइनली ये दिन आया कि भाई हमने ट्रेलर दिया और ईद पे फिल्म रिलीज करेंगे, रिलैक्स फील कर रहे हैं आप? क्योंकि काफी, एक तो ये स्क्रिप्ट भी पहली थी आपके लिए, आपके प्रोडक्शन हाउस के लिए, तो
वहाँ फिरा के आप हाँ जी हाँ, इस फिल्म में काफ़ी मुश्किलातों से गुजरे हैं, और मेनली कबीर खान साहब की वजह से, क्योंकि इनको ट्रैकिंग का बड़ा शौक है, इनको वर्जिन लोकेशन पे जाने का इनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो हम सबको पूरे यूनिट को लेके चले वहाँ पर। इससे एक बात तो अच्छा हो गया कि सबका स्टैमिना बिल्डअप हो गया और सब फिट हो गए, और हमको इस फिल्म के अंदर बड़ी ही खूबसूरत लोकेशंस मिली हैं, एकदम एप्ट लोकेशंस मिली हैं, जो मुन्नी का घर है, फिर जो हमारी एक जर्नी है, ट्रैवल है, और जहाँ जहाँ से हम निकलते हैं, दिल्ली से राजस्थान, राजस्थान से कश्मीर, कश्मीर से पीओके, तो दिस होल जर्नी हैज़ बिन रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल। हमको अब जाके समझ में आता है हम तो बेवकूफ़ हैं, हम बाहर क्यों शूटिंग करते थे? शूटिंग तो अगर करना है तो यहीं पे करना है, क्योंकि एक बार जो आपने फिल्म बना ली और इंशाल्लाह अगर हिट हो गई तो वो लोकेशंस हर कोई देखेगा, और फिर ये कि ये कहाँ शूट हुआ, वो कहाँ शूट हुआ, और हमारा टूरिज्म बढ़ता है।
एज अ प्रोड्यूसर भी आपकी पहली फिल्म है, तो प्रोड्यूसर के तौर पे किस तरीके से देखते हैं इस फिल्म को?
मेरा प्रोडक्शन में मेरा इतना कोई ज़्यादा हाथ नहीं था, मतलब कि वो स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी लगी, डायरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा है, हीरोइन बहुत ही अच्छी है, तो नवाज भी ठीक ठाक ही हैं, तो एक सिंपल लोगों की कास्टिंग थी अपार्ट फ्रॉम मी, क्योंकि सब बहुत ही निहायत ही प्रोफेशनल हैं। सिर्फ एक ही आदमी था वो जो कि अनप्रोफेशनल था, जो थोड़ा लेट आता था। अब क्या बोल सकते हैं, खुद ही प्रोड्यूसर था सलमान, तो उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकते कुछ।
Please, हमारे
Sir.
प्रोड्यूसर को कुछ मत कहिए, सलमान. There was a guy there, yeah.
Salman, continuing on that note.
Yes. So
Hello.
सवाल क्या था तुम्हारा यार?
Hello.
As a producer, हाँ. As a producer, me having myself as a producer was a very safe bet.
So will the box office collection matter now since you are the producer? Matter more.
I think it will matter अगर चल गई, बहुत चली, तो it will matter, hugely matter, और अगर नहीं हुआ तो it will hugely matter. See.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay,
Salman here. Hi.
Just one sec. We've got 2 mics. बोली लग रही है सलमान.
ये सब बातें हैं। I mean, एक किसी ने पूछा था कि हमसे कि यार ये क्या लगता है, इसे बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी, अब वो हुई नहीं इतनी बड़ी हिट, तो ये दुआ कर रहे थे कि उतनी जो मांगी थी ना उतनी ना हो, लेकिन इतनी जो लग रही है ना उतनी भी ना हो। Realistic.
I think that's
Realistic.
quite accurate. Yeah.
Salman?
Mr. Salman Khan and Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, I have a question here. I'm Hitesh from Bangalore. It would be I know that there's a song called Selfie Le 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 from this movie, but can I please have, and I humbly request, can I please have a selfie with the both of y'all? Please, it's a humble
Okay,
request.
we'll do photo
Please,
ops
just
later.
one selfie, just one.
No, I'll tell you what we'll do. I
Just
think
one,
it's just
just
going to
one.
open another Pandora's
No,
box.
I wouldn't. I promise. I'll take it on behalf of everybody, and I'm not going to.
Really?
One second.
Okay, 1 second.
One second. There is a Kareena Kapoor and there is Salman Khan standing right there. You can take it with them as well. अरे
Okay,
ये
just
मर
hold
जाएंगे
it.
भाई.
Okay, we'll do this. Let's just finish
The
the
song is not
questions.
selfie. It's a
Yeah.
le.
Hi.
We just changed it.
First of all, congratulations. जो यहाँ पे आपके
बैंगलोर से इसलिए आए हो? कार्ड दिखाओ.
I'm a tax consultant at
Salman.
I've come all the way. My Jiju works at Eros, and I had to come.
Okay, we'll figure this out at the end. All right, there's a question here.
मैं शुरू करूँ सलमान? हाँ. मेरा सवाल ये सलमान कि जो रिएक्शन मिले हैं यहाँ पे, तो ऐसा तो लगता है कि इस साल की ईद जो है वो सलमान खान के नाम होगी, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ये है कि पहले जो है सुहेल खान प्रोडक्शन, दूसरा अरबाज खान प्रोडक्शन, अब क्या जरूरत होगी कि सलमान खान प्रोडक्शन खोलने की आपको?
ये तो बताना पड़ेगा.
बात तो सही है यार. एक अतुल का भी प्रोडक्शन है. सोहेल खान के बच्चे सोहेल खान के.
टैक्सेस ज्यादा
मेरे तो नहीं है. अरबाज खान के बच्चे अरबाज खान के, मेरे तो नहीं है। बेबी के बच्चे अतुल बेबी के। अबे तो
You asked for it. You were a sitting duck.
प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट किया है फिल्मों से, इसको चलने दो, उसके बाद वहां पर लाइन लगा देंगे।
इंशाल्लाह, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
विजुअलाइज मत करना कोई।
Salman, on your left, on your right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's said that, you know, to work with animals and kids, it's quite difficult. And your work, you will be with the kid 24/7 if we see the entire frame. How was it working with the baby, with a small little one?
She is like, she's so beautiful. Yeah, she's like a delight to work with. I mean, I absolutely loved every moment with her on screen and the space that we shared. And she's such a beautiful girl. वो अनोखी है, एक ही piece बनी है. I think what she does, you know, off screen and on screen, you know, is to people is something unbelievable. She's the most gorgeous, the most beautiful child that I have ever met.
She threw any tantrums on sets?
Yes, that too.
And you had to face.
But that is a part of being that. When I at this age have not understood, I still throw them. Huh?
Salman,
Thank
sir.
you.
Salman, sir, here. Here. In the middle. Yeah. Salman, sir.
गाड़ी खाली हो गई तेरी?
Salman, sir, here in the middle. Sakhi here from Times Now. Congratulations on the trailer. We've been waiting to meet you, you know, for a long time, and the kind of response that you've received so far has been amazing. And the kind of support that you've received from your fans and the audience also through the
सवाल पे आ जाओ ना।
also through the case proceedings has been amazing. But the promotions of the movie are going to coincide with the High Court case proceedings as well. Any apprehension, any thoughts on that? Anything
No,
that
we
you
don't want to discuss that. We're discussing Bajrangi
Salman,
Bhaijaan. So the
any-
gentleman over there whose dadi is now half.
But
Come
I
on.
think she's just asking if it kind of affects the promotions of Bajrangi. He's not asking about.
How sweet you are, यार।
Thank you so much. Thank
क्या
you, sir.
बात करने का क्या अंदाज है यार आपका?
try.
Salman, you said
Yeah,
the
your
little
question,
girl.
please.
Salman, you said the little girl is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
And yeah.
हाँ,
Little
right
girl.
there.
हाँ,
So,
हाँ, one day I want, and one day very soon I want, and in fact,
Not
one day,
that.
yeah, like,
मैं माँ हूँ आप.
हाँ बस वही माँ भी एक और चाहिए मुझे। हाँ, 2 हो गई हैं, तीसरी भी आ जाइए।
नहीं, मेरा सवाल है.
लेकिन इसके लिए तस्वीर दीजिए। I'll have to ask my father. I can't make.
He knows me. He knows me very well. I keep talking to him for my article. For my article. No, I was asking you, Salman, कि why is it कि बड़ी लड़कियों से आपकी नहीं पट पाती है?
I'm not getting the question
बड़ी
though.
बड़ी लड़कियों से नहीं पट पाती मतलब कितनी बड़ी? नाम लेके बात करो ना। नाम लो ना प्लीज।
She's shying away from her own question
अरे
now.
नाम लो ना। ये तो अच्छी बात है ना? अच्छी बात है।
Salman, hi. This is Sohail. Hi. Just needed to ask. I think that this will be the first time कि कोई हीरो ने हीरोइन को बहन जी कहा होगा. In fact, like how difficult it was to tell this particular. और ये how did it really start? And Kareena, how did you take this particular?
It was very easy. It's not difficult.
Thanks a lot. Kareena, you've got to have a comeback to this.
Yeah, the same thing. I just needed to
मैंने
ask.
दिल पे पत्थर रखकर मुझे कसम खुदा की जब वो आता था ना बहन जी इस एंगल से बहन जी लग रही हैं यार
अब तो नहीं लग रही हूँ definitely. Not right now.
उस वक्त भी नहीं लग रही थी
Kareena, my
तब
question
कभी
is
बहन जी
to
नहीं
you.
लगी
Kareena,
1 second. We'll just go with her question.
एक तो आप हो
hi Kareena. And
All right. There's another
Hi,
question.
Kareena.
Haan,
Mr.
there.
Nandu, my question is to you.
1 second. There's a lady who's already started her question. We'll come to your question next. Haan.
Kareena, my question is for you. You've worked with all the 4 Khans. So working with which Khan was the best experience for you?
whichever Khan my next release is with, he's the best.
And so next.
Fab. Okay.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Karina, interestingly, both.
ये तो कमाल है. ये तो ना मम्मी के सामने who's better, mummy or daddy? Mummy. And daddy के सामने who's better, daddy or mummy? Daddy. Simple सा जवाब.
Salman.
Karina, you know,
Salman.
you've obviously.
Think if we all like peace and we want to live in harmony, I think this film will be the best film ever for that. Yeah, definitely.
Salman, इधर.
Can we have?
Nandu, my question is to you.
Karina.
Salman,
Mr. Nandu.
Hi, Karina.
इधर.
Hold on.
obviously-
There's, sorry.
एक मिनट.
I'm sorry.
शुरू
He
में
started his
आपने
question.
कहा
जी.
कि स्टोरी वो इतनी मतलब अच्छी लगी आपको कि कहीं और ना चली जाए. तो लगता है कि एक स्टोरी कहीं ना कहीं आपकी है, जो जिस तरह की हमदर्दी, जिस तरह के किस्से आपके होते हैं कि ये कर दिया, वहाँ 100 साइकिलें दे दी, वहाँ 100 लोगों को हार्ट के
सर
ऑपरेशन
एम्बैरस
करवा
मत
दिए.
कीजिए सर इतना कम बोल के.
है ना? नहीं. मतलब ये
कौन से पेपर के लिए काम करते हैं आप, ओन करते हैं आप सर?
मायापुरी मैगजीन.
अरे
तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको स्टोरी
कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली है सर 100 का सर बहुत गड़बड़ है सर. इसमें कुछ जीरो तो और डालने पड़ेंगे.
तो ये
सर जो मेरा एक नजरिया है फिल्में करने का कि जब भी मैं कोई फिल्म करूं मुझे वो कैरेक्टर इतना अच्छा लगना चाहिए कि जब मैं उस फिल्म से निकलूं तो आई हैव टू बी मोर दैट कैरेक्टर देन बी मी. एंड माई थिंग इज पीपल से कि हम सलमान खान को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. अच्छा सलमान खान को मत फॉलो करो. सलमान खान की जो इमेज है फिल्म की उसे फॉलो करो बिकॉज दैट इज फार अहेड. जो बीइंग ह्यूमन की है और जो फिल्मों की इमेज है ये थोड़ा सा ये लॉट है ना सामने का मायापुरी है थोड़ा सा उसमें दे देते हैं थोड़ा सा एक टोचन.
लेकिन आपने अगर देखा होगा अगर सलमान की कोई फिल्म होती है तो उसमें जो दर्शक हैं आपके, जो आपके फैंस हैं, वो करीना से भी ये सवाल हुआ था कि ना तो वो स्टोरी देखते ना ही वो आपके को आर्टिस्ट देखते, सिर्फ सलमान को देखते हैं.
नहीं सर ये ट्रू नहीं है सर. जो भी स्टोरीज हमने की हैं जो कि हमको अच्छी लगती हैं वही हम करते हैं. जो हमको अच्छी नहीं लगती वो हम नहीं करते हैं. तो अगर मुझे अच्छी लगी है तो जाहिर है एज अ फिल्म गोअर वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे दोस्तों मेरे फैंस को भी अच्छी लगी.
Okay, we'll be taking 2 more questions.
Hi,
Karina. Can we just see a show of hands because we have no idea where the mic is. Yeah.
Hi, Karina. Interestingly, obviously you guys are together in this movie, but interestingly also, Shruti was offered to you and to him, which now is being done by Varun and Alia. He has given us blessings on Twitter to Varun and with you. So, which I think he said also that he was very happy about, which Salman mentioned. What about you?
I threw him out of the film. Why are you out of the film?
I left it because Hrithik was in the film first. He didn't do it then.
Then when I said yes,
I wasn't in the movie.
you were not there in the movie.
So basically, it could have been possible if both of you knew you are going to be approached for the movie.
Yes,
That's hypothetical.
बजरंगी भाईजान की बात करो ना.
Exactly.
We thought we had a lot
It's
of
gone
questions.
wrong.
I thought might as
All
well
right.
ask others.
Can we have our last
You'll have
question?
enough
There's a
time. This
lady
whole
over
month
there
you'll have
in the
enough
blue.
time.
Can we have a question from her,
My
please?
question is to you, Mr. Nandu.
Makrana
Eros
magazine
has
se.
been on a roll with
Salman
films
bhai.
like Badlapur,
minute, bhai sahab.
NH10,
Calm,
Tanu
calm.
as Manu. What expectations are you carrying with Bajrangi Bhaijaan now?
Told you expect fireworks this Eid. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
The fireworks will be preponed from Diwali. Yes, there's a
Salman bhai.
gentleman over
Yeah.
there. He started his
Yeah.
question. 1 minute. आप पूछ चुके हैं. 1 minute उनसे.
सलमान भाई आपको ये बच्ची कहाँ मिलती है और आप इसको पाकिस्तान छोड़ने की जिम्मेदारी क्यों लेते हो?
सर क्योंकि आपको नहीं मिली और आपने जिम्मेदारी नहीं ली इसलिए सर.
Salman.
Karina,
Karina,
All
मेरा
right.
question.
The last
Karina,
question.
Salman, on your right. Karina, here.
We'll do one question here.
करीना
First,
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है आपने अपने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि कभी आपने सलमान को योगा करते हुए नहीं देखा है और योगा डे आ रहा है
तो अभी कर लेते हैं.
तो अभी तो क्या आप बजरंगी भाईजान के सेट पे सलमान योगा करते थे कि नहीं
कुछ बताएंगी?
सूर्य नमस्कार।
आपका नाम क्या है?
तान्या, तान्या,
कौन सी पब्लिकेशन से हैं आप?
लाइव इंडिया।
लाइव इंडिया।
सलमान मैं क्वेश्चन
Okay, there's a जवाब दो, question here. जवाब दो।
सलमान क्या सलमान को किस चीज से सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है?
इस सवाल के बाद मेरा मन चाह रहा है कि मैं
सलमान my question
Nawaz,
for you
my
is-
question is
One second, guys. Hello. There's a lady here who's been wanting to ask a question. The last question.
सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? सलमान दिस साइड।
You know, it is so sweet of them. I absolutely loved what they did for me, and lots of respect and lots of love.
Minnie, one question from here, please.
Yeah, okay, one second. I think that side has got an ample opportunity.
Can you?
Hold on, guys. You can't scream out your questions. There are other people who are already in line. Yes, the girl here.
I've been doing that for the longest, for the longest time. But the fact that we're getting this kind of, coverage, for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, it is because of Shah Rukh and Amir. It's because they were the ones who released the poster first, the first look. So, I mean, we've got those many eyeballs and, that much of, huh? Yeah, extra interest is because of my two buddy brothers.
नवाज यहाँ पे नवाज जब हम लोग
Okay, there's a girl there in the purple. Yes.
सलमान
Okay.
नवाज over here नवाज जब
सलमान ये सवाल
Right now,
Are there
people cannot
questions? Okay.
afford. Right now, people cannot afford one
Yeah.
in two films. You want 3 in 1 film. Yeah, like maybe like one jhalak here, one jhalak there, one jhalak there.
Okay,
नवाज
guys.
जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले
We
थे
would
We
love,
love
we would love
Bajrangi
to
Bhaijaan
do.
questions.
We would love to. We would love to
Nawaz-
do a film together. That's for sure.
सलमान को सबसे ज्यादा डर किससे लगता है? क्या
ये कब से अटकी हुई इसी सवाल पे यार कब से
आप
कब
जवाब
से
नहीं दे रहे हो
अरे
तो
कब
क्या
से
करूं?
इग्नोर कहाँ हैं आप कब से इग्नोर किए जा रहे हैं हम आपको और आप पूछे ही जा रही हैं पूछे ही जा रही हैं
नवाज
अभी जवाब हो गया।
नवाज towards your right नवाज when we met
See, they, Soul started this Bhai thing, and after that, Sanju started calling me Bhaijan and then Bhaij, and then it got stuck on. But it is also really good, but it's also really bad.
नवाज
There are a lot of girls who are
नवाज
protesting that this film is called Bhaijan. They don't want to call
Nawaz,
Salman
oh,
Bhaijan.
yeah.
Please, they should, huh? They should.
नवाज जब हम
इतना easily as भाई में accept मत कर लो, the women.
नवाज जब हम बदलापुर के टाइम पे मिले थे तब आपने कहा था बजरंगी भाईजान की स्क्रिप्ट ने आपको पागल कर दिया था और आपके कैरेक्टर बहुत ही सही है तभी आपने कहा था आप ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते कैरेक्टर के बारे तो अभी आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हैं
हाँ अभी इतना बता सकता हूँ कि मेरा फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है वो रिपोर्टर का है पाकिस्तानी रिपोर्टर का
हाँ आपने कहा
एक मिनट Okay, guys, that's it. We're going to close the questions because it's just going all over the place.
Salman, just one question.
The one. Nawaz, would you like to answer this question? आपने क्या तैयारियां की थी to play a Pakistani character? That's the question, and that we end with that.
अच्छी खासी तैयारी की थी हम वो सीक्रेट है अभी बता नहीं सकते
Okay.
Salman,
Great.
just one question. Can I?
एक
ask
सेकंड
one question, please?
इस बच्चे को सवाल पूछना है जो कि इसकी मम्मी ने इसको सिखाया होगा 100%.
Okay, ask your question.
और जब सवाल आएगा तो 100% सब लोग साक्षी हैं यहाँ पर कि ये सवाल बच्चे का हो सकता है या बच्चे की मम्मी का है मैं ये बच्चे का ही है इसने मम्मी की इज्जत बचाने के लिए इसने झट से सवाल चेंज करा बच्चा बात है तुझ में
All right, Salman, we're going to be wrapping up the question. Just a final roundup from you. ये तो चलता है, you know.
If you be this character I don't think anyone can touch this country or any other country or any human being. He's such a positive character. And I think that everyone should be like these kind of characters.
Great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.
There is
There will be
no message. The
many
message
more opportunities.
is about just being who you are and just following your heart. That is, there's no message, there's no gyan. It has romance, it has love, it has a great story, it has emotions, it has drama, it has everything. It's a proper Hindi film, but it's like a very purely told story.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, the locket will be out pretty soon, and we're getting. I mean, I have people calling me for it, and it's a question of a couple of weeks. It'll be out there.
All right.
I'm really, really happy with that.
Okay, there's
I'm
a last
extremely
question for
happy with that.
Kareena.
I get-
Here, the lady in the blue. The lady in the blue, please.
आप अपसेट हो गई ना क्योंकि मैं आपको बुलाता हूँ ना.
Salman can call me whatever he likes.
I call her Bebo, I call her baby, I call her sweetheart, I call her मेरी जान.
All right. Okay, these are very arbitrary questions. The lady you've been asking a question for a long time. The lady in the curly hair with the multicolored top. The last
He should
question
try
for
it.
tonight. Yes.
Salman here. Salman here.
Yes, 1 second. Okay. All right. One last photo up with everyone, please.